Hi, I'm Krista Orick, General Manager of the Naples Boatyard and also a Realtor for Keller Williams Naples. And I'm here with...
My name is Miguel Arroyo and I am the Seawall Project Manager at Orick Marine Construction. Here we specialize in all your marine construction needs such as
docks, seawalls, boat lifts, riprap, dock accessories, start to finish anything you need for your marine construction project. Most buyers get a home inspection, but skip the seawall and dock inspection completely.
And honestly, that can be one of the most expensive mistakes on a waterfront property.
What are people missing?
They look at the house, the kitchen, the pool, but the seawall is literally what's holding your land in place. If this fails, you're not talking about a small repair anymore. Depending on the size and axis, seawalls can easily run into 6 figures.
So a newer seawall actually adds real value?
Absolutely. A new seawall can be a huge buyer advantage because it removes one of the biggest future expenses.
Before buying waterfront property, inspect the seawall and dock, not just the home.